As some rushed to stores for last-minute supplies, others headed straight for the slopes, trading worry for winter thrills. Fox 43's Lauren Bradford has more on how Roundtop Mountain Ski Resort is preparing for the storm and the excitement building among local skiers and snowboarders.
With a major snowstorm on the way, skiers and snowboarders across central Pennsylvania are ready to turn it into a perfect storm on the slopes.
We really enjoy preparing for storm. We're a ski resort. I can't tell you, the energy around here is high. The stoke is high. Our team is so fired up for a big storm to come in. We have the trained staff, we have the skill, we have the resources to handle any amount of snow that comes our way. So we're prepared and we're excited.
At Roundtop, the slopes were packed with visitors trying to squeeze in one last run before the snow moves in.
We might be snowed in Bowie, so yeah, happy to be out here today.
While some people are coming out early to beat the snow, others can't wait for a layer of fresh powder to take on Monday.
We've been getting our stuff ready, snow plows ready, shovels ready, our salt ready.
And the skis ready?
Yes, yeah, especially the skis ready.
Oh, there's nothing better. Snow flying up over your head sometimes. It's nothing better than real fresh snow.
I'll be trying to ski in my backyard.
Get some rail hits in, real ski, street ski.
As for how the snow will compare to what people usually see up at Roundtop, well, it won't change much.
If we get 10 inches of natural snow, that equates to about 1 inch of the snow we make on our slopes. Because we're making it to last. This is a nice cold snow that's going to come, make everything nice and white though.
For skiers and snowboarders, it's the perfect excuse to hit the slopes. Just make sure you come prepared.
It's going to make some great conditions for people to come out, stay warm, dress in layers, go inside, take a break, get a hot chocolate, visit the restaurants, and then get back out there and have fun.
Lauren Bradford, Fox 43.